All right, some track and field news now. St. Jago boys and Edwin girls retained their respective titles as the curtains came down on the 2026 staging of the Central Athletics Championships at GC Foster College on Wednesday. St. Jago tallied 250 points to finish ahead of Edwin 208, Clarendon College 132, Manchester High 124, and St. Catherine at 92, completing the top five. The Michael Dyke coached Edwin secured another hold on the girls' crown after amassing 406 points. Arch rivals Homewood Technical were next with 370.5, followed by St. Jago 240.5, Vere Technical 232.5, and Alphonsus Davis 105.5, rounding out the top five. And we'll have a comprehensive roundup on day two of the championships in Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, while celebrating their win as Central champs, Edwin High are looking forward to lining up at this weekend's Gibson McCook Relays at the National Stadium. Edwin won the 4x100 meters for classes 4, 3, and 1 girls, setting a new meet record of 44.74 seconds in the senior girls category. They placed second behind rivals Homewood Technical in the 4x400 meters event, clocking 3 minutes 41.61 seconds. Coach Michael Dyke says the team was always readying themselves for their Gibson McCook Relays.
Well, we had Gibson in mind coming to this meet as well, because coming to two, I say, high power meet within 1 week is very challenging. So, we had to have enough in store for Gibson coming up. So, you can expect a good showing from Edwin Allen come Saturday.
The Gibson McCook Relays will be live this Saturday on TVJ, TVJ Ascend, and One Spot Media beginning at 4 p.m.